Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. So today I created this look using the new NATASHA DENONA GLAM palette. This palette has 15 shadows, all new 15 shadows, cool tone and neutral tone. This palette is retailed for $65. You can get this from NATASHADenona.com and also Sephora. So it looks like this in front, and I love that how it looks like a pearl, and at the back it's light gray, that matte feeling, so sophisticated. The shadows are magnetic, you can pop them out from the palette. And there is 15 shades, neutral and cool tone. I think this one is neutral and then a cool side. Very interesting, NATASHA DENONA did not name these shadows with artistic names. She named the shadow as crease, transition, inner corner, blend, smoke, lash line, outer eyelid. She named the shadows how you are supposed to use the shadows. And she also mentioned that you can interchange the shadows according to your liking. I am very into that there is no creative names. Honestly, I don't really look at the names. I just like popping out these shadows and rearranging them to my liking and how my eyes see them as I like to use them. So what I can do is, if I'm traveling and I want to bring cool tone and warm tone shadows in my travel, I'm going to pop some of these shadows from the bronze palette, pop out some of the shadows here and combine them together. Create my own palette. That is what I do for pastime and that's what relaxes me. So I enjoy that, and I love that this palette right here does not have the creative names, because I can't name some of these shadows suntan or sundown. Spoiler alert, I love this palette. So pretty, this shadows. That silver gray, it's so pretty.
For my foundation, I used the NATASHA DENONA Transformatte. I am in the 50WN medium, that's warm neutral. I also used the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. To set my foundation and concealer, I use these two setting powders. To warm my face, I use KKW Beauty Contour Powders. For my blush, I use Too Faced Baby Love Love Flush. And for my eyebrows, I use Anastasia Brow Powder Duo and Ebony. I'm also gonna prime my lips with a Colourpop Lip Primer.
First, I'm going to use Paint Pot. This one is Painterly. This one is the cooler tone. The other one that I use is Soft Ochre, and that one is more yellow. So I wanted to use this pink one because NATASHA DENONA GLAM palette is more on the cool tone side. Alright, we're ready to go. This shade right here is Crease, but I don't think I'm gonna use that for my crease. I want this as a crease shadow, but this one is the blend shadow. So what you can do is like pop it right off and interchange them as you like. For now, I'm just gonna try whatever I want to use in the palette and not really follow their names. All right, first I'm going to use this lash line. This is the darkest shadow in the palette. It's also a matte shadow, and I'm gonna use that on my lash line. We're going deep, and I think this is the first time I'm gonna do this on my channel. I like a shade like this. It's not very black. It's not black black. It's a smoke black. So there is a brown and a gray in it. The cons for doing lash line first with this shadow is it's going to adhere on your eyes more because you actually put it on the primer, the eyeshadow primer, and it's still sticky. So it's gonna be really dark, rather than putting it on top of another shadow that will mix with the other pigments. Alright, so that is the lash line. Okay, next I'm going to get a blending brush. This is MAC 217. This is so interesting. I'm going to get this shade right here. It's called Blend. So I'm gonna put that right on my crease. Like that. So you guys see, I am shaping my eye. So this shade Blend right here is actually lighter on the pan than on my lid. So you guys can see, it's a little bit deeper than I expected. It's beautiful. All right, so whatever is left on my brush, I'm going to bring it up and blend it. Gonna do the other eye. All right, I think that is very pretty. All right, next I'm going to take that shade right here, crease shade, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna put that right here on top. On the pan, it is lighter. I am still using the shade Crease and blending it with the shade Blend. But definitely these shadows are lighter on the pan than on my skin. Actually a lot of pigment, so you guys be careful. I really like how this mattes came out. This is an option and this is a look already, but I also want to show you guys how the metallics work. I'm taking the shade right here, outer eyelid shade. I'm going to use a packer brush right on the outer eyelid. Wow, that's a lot of dimension. Even right here when I put it in the middle, the shade is different from the outer corner of my lid. So the shadow moves when you move. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. There's a lot of sparkle in this eyeshadow. I'm just gonna blend the outer corner right here because I went crazy. Alright, so this is how it looks right now. Okay, I think the eye look is very edgy and very strong, so I want to tone it down and add a pink. So this is the only pink, right? Oh no, there are two pinks. All right, so I'm gonna add this shadow right here. I'm gonna use the same packer brush. I'm just gonna flip it. So right here. And this one is the center eyelid, but I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. That's so pretty. And then blend it with this sparkly outer eyelid shade. Is very pretty. All right, next I'm going to take the inner corner shade. This one right here is also a pink champagne, but it has very sparkly glitters, micro glitters in every color. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eyes. So sparkly, so pretty too. Okay, for under my eyes, I'm going to get So I'm gonna get the blend shade first and mix that with the smoke shade. Very pigmented, as you guys can see. That's just like one slight dab. I love this brown. It's a cool tone brown. I'm gonna get a lot of use of this eyeshadow palette. Then lastly, I'm going to take transition right here and also brow bone. Mix that together and then put that on the just a little tiny at the arch of my brow, like below the arch, like that. And then going to blend that in a little bit. I'm just gonna take some right here. I'm going to take this right here. It's a brown metallic. It's so pretty. Okay, with my packer brush right here, I'm going to put that under my eye. Okay, I'm gonna use the eyeliner from Charlotte Tilbury. This is Amber Moon. It's on the neutral side, just like the last eyeshadow that we put. I'm going to use Mcgrath mascara. Oh, look at my eyes. This eye is so much bigger now that I lifted my eyelashes. Isn't that amazing? Alright, my eyes are done. It came out so pretty. I'm not gonna put lashes because this Mcgrath mascara, this one is the FetishEyes mascara. It's so pretty. It lifted my eyelashes, make it really big and long, curly too. I don't think I need false eyelashes today. What I'm gonna do is just gonna add a little bit of color on my face just for bronzing. I already used this KKW Beauty. This one is in the medium. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. You know, although my eyes are cool tone, I like my face warmer. So I add this orange color. It's not very orange. It's on the pan. It looks very orange at first looking at it. It is scary, but on my skin, it looks very, very pretty and neutral, natural. Okay guys, for my lips, I don't know what I'm gonna use. I'm thinking about this Patrick Ta. Alright guys, so this is the look. For my lips, I chose Times Square from Colourpop Cosmetics Ultra Matte Lip. I like this color because it's not cool, it's not warm, it's in the neutral side. And I want something pink on my face just to lift that gray shade on my eyes. And I love it. I love gray and pink together. Alright guys, so this is the look for today. I really love it. I really love how it turned out. I was actually nervous about the palette because cool tone is more intimidating than warm tone, at least for me. I didn't know what to expect from the palette, but it is very pretty. It is a very pretty palette and I love the look that it came out. I actually forgot how I love cool tone shadows. And also, we tend to forget about the neutral shades, neutral shadows. Most people talk about warm tone shadows and cool tone shadows, but there is something in between. And I love the neutral shades in this palette. So these are the neutral shades that you can find in this palette. I enjoyed it very much. It was really easy to use. It was really easy to create a look. I really think I did a good job today. There are bad makeup days and there are really good makeup days. Well, definitely today is a very good makeup day. Alright guys, so this is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And have a great day, guys. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. See you in my next video. See you in my next video. Bye, guys. Coco, you're so funny.